Hello everyone, my name is Mina. Today we're making passion fruit chia seeds tea. Let's now the ingredients have black tea, passion fruit syrup, chia seeds, and it is lava. Now let's get started. First, we'll pour tea in it. Oops. Okay. Now let's pour passion fruit syrup in. Now we'll put chia seeds. Lava in. Oh, this spoon is so cold. That's the end of this video. If you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is click Mina Love Kitchen, like, subscribe, and share so you can watch more of my videos. Bye guys, see you soon.